Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs. Make sure you watch my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking one of these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree and I'm going to coat it in a layer of this white glue. It actually makes the paint stick a little better, and I'm going to be using the apple barrel paint in the color Jet Black. Now it does look kind of brown on video, but it is jet black. I just had bad lighting. Next, I'm going to take this 9-inch glass cylinder vase that I got at Dollar Tree, and taking the glass candle holder, I'm going to apply hot glue. You can also use an E6000 glue for a more permanent hold, but I'm just going to place the hot glue on and then place the glass base on top. Now you can remove the sticker if you would like. Also, you can paint the bottom as well, the black, to make it match. And this is what it will look like once you have it glued down. Next, I'm going to take 2 of these LED lantern lamps and I'm going to paint the gold part in the jet black paint. Now you can paint the underside if you would like as well, but I just painted the top portion. And this is what it looks like once the paint's fully dry. Next, I'm going to take 2 of these Greenery brand bouquets that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove all of the greenery from it. And I'm just going to be using 1 stem of the yellow flowers, and then I'm going to be using all of the actual greenery pieces. Next, I'm going to take my greenery pieces and just start arranging them in the bottom of both of the vases. Now this is optional, but after I had them completed, I decided to paint the bottom portion of both vases in the jet black paint. That way it actually blends in and matches a little bit better. And this is what it looks like once that paint is fully dry. Now to finish these lanterns, I'm just going to take the little LED bulbs and place them on the top of the vases. Now I didn't glue them down because they do set pretty good, and that way you can actually change out the inside of the vases. And here's your completed high-end vases. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.